Hello guys and welcome back. I've got another great airdrop for you, great potential. This is a very big project which is going to be obviously very popular, and there's a lot of interest and a lot of investment in it, which will obviously convert to a lot of a big airdrop. And I'll put the link down below to the Twitter post as well if you get stuck somewhere, because it explains all that stuff. And as it says here, it's going to be launched in 20 days roughly. Potential 5,000 per wallet, and I'm gonna get the IO. What is this? IO is, as you can see here, the internet of GPUs. So you can deploy GPUs, but there are simpler tasks as well on Galxe, which I'm gonna show you in a second. I did some. I'm going to just cover it briefly. And then there is like a bigger task where you install a, what is it called, container on your PC. You can share your graphics card, something like a maybe miner style. It seemed to me that it's like quite daunting, but actually it wasn't. You just download this app, and there is like step-by-step guide. You download, paste some code here. This code I had, and you just pulled some files or something like that, and then started the thingy. So I'm gonna show in a second how to do it. There's like steps, then you add the devices, and that's it. The problem is I still don't see it as active, as connected. Not sure why. I need to contact them, but nevertheless it wasn't that hard. I just need to follow the steps here, download, install stuff. So let's jump right into it. The first thing will be the tasks on Galxe. So the standard thing, like the passport, I don't want to do it for now because it requires like video verification. I know they're trying to do it more so that people are verified, but I'm just not that into it at the moment. So let's do the Twitter tasks, which is following some people. And then literally on the left side we've got different categories of the tasks, so just go through all of them. Let's say you go through to their website, continue, and then you can refresh it. Some tasks are one-off and some of them are daily, so just remember that. Okay, the Medium page is visited. Not sure why I didn't see it. YouTube channel, visit that as well. All the standard things on Galxe, which is mostly Twitter stuff, mostly something with Discord, with Telegram. So let's just try this one. Okay, this one is done, this one is done. So basically to get all the points you need to fill them all. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do the passport because you need to mint it and you have to add your verification. So I'm just gonna maybe try do it later. If you don't want to do it, then just jump to the next one. This one as well is with the passport holder. This one I did the whole thing, claim the points. So visit the website, visit Explorer, visit documentation. This is very easy. Then the Discord as well with the passport. I might even do the passport to be able to do those tasks. Another one is the submit your Solana wallet. So basically here in the Galxe you connect with your wallet. Let me just show you here, and you can, I connected with MetaMask. Obviously MetaMask doesn't have like inbuilt Solana, so what I did is click here, and you can connect with Phantom if you want to. If you have Phantom wallet, you might as well connect straight away with that. If not, then just copy your address from Phantom wallet and paste it in the field here and claim your points. So that's it for the easy bit. Or you know, if you do the passport, you can spend here like 5-10 minutes. And now there is this a bit harder bit, let's say, where you have tasks to install basically the app, the Docker app, and you have to go through to this website, and you've got the step-by-step guide as well here. I'll put the link to that, which you can find also you can find this link here on this website. So on this website you might go to the main page, or you're gonna end up here. On top the corner you click on the worker, and once you click on the worker, you click on connect new worker here, and you can add new devices, and you just go basically choose Windows. I chose the consumer grade, put the name GPU worker, and then you've got those steps that I mentioned here, which is basically showing you exactly the same thing as well. You've got even a video step by step how to do it, but it's quite easy. If you click on those things that I mentioned there, the only thing you have to do is download the Docker software. You have to have GeForce graphics cards, obviously. If not, then obviously choose CPU worker and try like that. And once you have your code here and your app is installed, I had to restart the computer. You go to PowerShell, which is basically just type in like a Windows start PowerShell, and literally copy that here, paste it, and then yeah, there's some error because the file is different here, but this was the previous one, and it completed everything and added these two files and started. It says it's running. I don't see any absolutely use of my graphics card or something like that. Not sure if it's everything is fine, because also when you end you should be able to connect here, and I cannot connect. So I think it went correctly, but something is still not happy. But this is obviously a bit optional. This is something that I think will be helpful, the same like with the coin nodes that I mentioned in other videos. This ones here that I run almost all the time, they have a lot of problems, but they are in a test net, so hopefully they're gonna fix those errors. But it's a very slow and grinding process. You just run it in the background, but you have to check it all the time if they're running properly. With this one I just don't see any action here, but hopefully it will be soon. But nevertheless, these are the steps. Follow them. If you have any helpful information for me why it's not working, help me out here, comment below please. Remember, this is like a big file, 20 giga. This one was downloading a bit as well, and then you've got those files depending on what you want to run. And yeah, it seems everything went fine with GPUs pulling from the network, but it just, I don't see any action here. You know, it says it's running, so I'm not sure why it's not using anything. But any questions, let me know. I'll try to work on it as well. Maybe I'll have some news, and if not, then there was a contact us button here as well on Discord, or I think it's direct email. So this is it, guys. Don't miss it. Could be huge, and 20 days left. So I'm just gonna farm a little bit with this Docker app, and let's see if we can get some airdrop. So thank you for watching.